In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Davinci Resolve 18 to factory settings. From the menu, click on Davinci Resolve and click on Preferences. Now you have two preferences, System Preferences and User Preferences. First, click on System Preferences. To the top right of the System Preferences, you have these three dots. Click on that and you will get this option, Reset System Preferences. Click on that. Click on Reset. Now you will get a message. Changes will take effect once you restart your Resolve. Click on OK. Now reset the factory settings of user also. Click on the User tab and again on the top right, click on these three dots and click on Reset User Preferences. Click on Reset. Now you will get a message again. Changes will take effect once you restart your Resolve. Click on OK. Click on Save. Now just restart your Davinci Resolve 18. It will be restored to factory default settings. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.